Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and happy. Today I am going to tell you about some birds. I'm sure you all must have seen the birds, right? Birds are of different colors, sizes and shapes. तो तो आज मैं आपको कुछ birds के बारे में बताऊंगी. So children, let's see some of the birds one by one. So tell me, what is this? Yes, this is a crow. It is generally black in color, लेकिन कुछ crows ऐसे भी होते हैं जिनका neck grey होता है, right? Now, this is a sparrow. It is very small in size and is very active. और ये bird हमेशा ग्रुप्स में रहती हैं, अकेले अकेले नहीं रहती. This is a pigeon. Did you know it is grey in color and it feeds on seeds, fruits and plants. ये क्या क्या खाता है? Seeds खाता है, fruits खाता है और plants. Now this is everyone's favorite. Yes, parrot. It is green in color with red beak and it loves to eat green chilies. इसे green chilies बहुत पसंद हैं. Children, this is a peacock. Peacock is a beautiful bird with large fan-shaped tail. It is the national bird of India. Peacock जो है इंडिया का national bird है, ये आप याद रखोगे, right? Now tell me, have you seen this bird before? This is an ostrich and it is the largest bird in the world, but it cannot fly. ये दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी bird है, लेकिन ये उड़ नहीं सकती. And the last one is hummingbird. And did you know it is the world's smallest bird? ये दुनिया की सबसे छोटी चिड़िया है, right? So this is all for today, kids. I hope you have learned the names of these birds and you also have to revise all these birds at home. Thank you and have a nice day.